Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to export HubSpot deals. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, open your preferred web browser and go to hubspot.com. After logging in successfully, you'll be taken to your HubSpot dashboard. On the left-hand side of the dashboard, you'll see the main navigation menu. From there, click on CRM and then select Deals from the menu. Once you're inside the Deals section, you'll see a list of all your current deals. Before exporting anything, it's a good idea to use filters so you can narrow down exactly which deals you want to export. You can filter by pipeline, deal stage, deal owner, or even a specific date range. After applying your filters and having the deals you want displayed, look toward the top right corner of the deals table and click on the export option. A small menu will appear asking you to choose Export View. This lets you decide what type of data you want to include. You have two choices. You can select Export View if you only want the columns currently visible in your dashboard view, or you can choose All Properties if you want a complete dataset with every available deal property. Choose whichever option fits your requirements best. Next, you'll be asked to choose your file format. HubSpot supports several formats like CSV, XLS, and XLSX. Select the one that works best with the software you plan to use. Once you've made your choice, simply click Export. Depending on your HubSpot settings, you'll either receive a download link through email or the file will download automatically to your computer. And that's it. So that is how you can export HubSpot deals. So that's all for this video. Thanks.